Okay. Um, During this time, no, let's say I roll my ankle when I'm 27 and I didn't have any of this information, didn't know this stuff. And at 27, I iced it, supported it, threw it in a boot, took a bunch of ibuprofen, maybe got some injections, did some physical therapy. 3 months later, I was able to walk on it. We're good to go. Did any of the therapies go towards the reason of why that happened? My body couldn't handle the forces of whatever I was doing. I need to manage the forces of that event. What are the tissues that manage forces? Muscle. Did I get much stronger? Not really. What are all the things that affect a muscle? Well, light, nourishment, rest, food, no, light, nourishment, rest, training, and then relationships, and then purpose and intention behind those, and my creativity and authenticity around it, and everything else. Did I really address any of that? No. Okay. So I just hid the symptoms of the thing to make it appear that it worked. And then 15 years later, I roll my ankle and I tear a ACL. So now all of a sudden I know a little bit more about this. Now I go in, your body will keep cycling through what you need to see per how you're living. That's why it does that with those protective beliefs. When we're unloved, we end up, or pick that. When we think love is a trap, we'll pick relationships that are safe, meaning the ones that are like unavailable, or the affairs, or virtual, or they're not here, and you just keep going. You basically keep providing that to ensure that that's the protection. You're going to keep choosing that. And then you're going to have feelings and thoughts and triggered actions. You're going to have these bursts where do you feel good after those? No. Then the source is there, but we keep picking that same relationship, keep picking that same relationship. You keep cycling back and you have 6, 7, 8 different dating scenarios with each time given an opportunity because the body knew it needed you to go through this. It will do that with anything. It does it with concussions that somebody doesn't come through. It does it with addictive stuff that somebody doesn't come through. It will keep cycling it until you go through what you need to go through. Now, I pose this to you. When we all go through this gateway called puberty to our adult puberty, let's say we choose, even in all ownership, we choose in an authentic manner hormone replacement, balance, our levels, supplements, take on that we have hyper, we have Addison's Cushing's, we have low testosterone, whatever the thing, take on, and we go ahead and we fix it. Well, you can manipulate physiology and feel better. And we can do weightlifting and protein, and we can get through this 2 to 5 years, and we look and feel, fuck yeah, I did it. Everything we were supposed to see and go through during that time doesn't go away. It just cycles back after we've gone through it. And so we're going to have to face what we're going to have to face. That's the whole point of the midlife gateway, the adult puberty 2, right? It is literally facing things to find our most authentic self, that if it doesn't happen at that stage, it's going to happen at the next time for each individual, and the next time, and the next time, and the next time. Totally up to us if we want to face it. If not, we take it to our grave. But what I'm talking about is accessing a version of ourselves that we've never thought possible. So that's the truth behind this. And I know that's a hard pill to swallow, pun, but it's literally one of those things that if we don't face it now, when we're in this thing, this time period that really we're kind of, especially when you got support, let's fucking go. Let's go through this. Then when you get through, you have grown and your feet are bigger and everything, like, my God. Now anything moving forward is just new trauma, accidents, experiences, love, desires, all the things at a level that you've never even, higher than ever, higher wisdom, higher ability, instead of cycling back what you were supposed to go through from before. So we can't outrun what we're supposed to go through, especially when they're natural cycles. It'd be like trying to prevent, puberty in somebody. If we stifled puberty, what would end up happening at a later time? That body is going to catch up at some point. It's the same thing that happens with scoliosis. They'll try to put that rod in that person, changing nothing about their life. 25 years later, the body, it bends the rods over time. It will not. It will push through anything